Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to create a new audience in MailChimp. So if you're on the main page, you'll notice that lists no longer exist. They've changed it to be called an audience. So you're going to click on audience at the top and you're going to hit create. This is going to be an audience for an email. And you're going to want it to be automated, which means that you can automate emails going to them. So you can have triggers saying, I want this first email to be sent immediately. I want the second email to be sent 2 days later. So create an automation email and then email your tagged contacts. So this means you already have contacts in an audience and you want to, contact all the ones tagged nutrition only. We're going to do welcome new subscribers. So that's just essentially a new email campaign. And then we're going to go to onboarding series. You're going to call this, if you're using HSN, top 5 mistakes campaign. Now it wants you to select an audience. So these are all of our audiences right now. So if maybe it's called indoctrination series, top 5 mistakes, or yeah, we'll do that one. And then you hit begin. So basically it wants you to start designing the emails. So here they are. Welcome to our community. But you can update all of this. The trigger is immediately after they subscribe. You want to start designing your email from there. Hope that helps.